In this video series, we will discuss how to register for Sage Business Cloud accounting software, how to set up the company, such as company details, general settings, VAT settings, documents and statements, branding, user-defined fields, email signatures, and multi-currency. How to set up dashboards, accountant dashboard, customer dashboard, supplier dashboard, item dashboard, financial dashboard, and my workspace. How to create master files, customers, sales reps, customer categories, suppliers, supplier categories, items, item bundles, item categories, banks and credit cards, bank and credit card categories, quick entry rules, and bank statement mapping rules. Accounts, item accounts, assets, asset categories, asset locations, budgets, analysis codes, and system users. We will discuss how to create transactions, customer transactions, supplier transactions, items transactions, banking transactions, journal entries, how to generate reports, customer reports, supplier reports, item reports, banking reports, accounts reports, accountants area reports, management reports, transactions reports, audit reports, stakeholder reports, share capital reports, asset reports, budget reports. We will discuss how to set up opening balances, set up account reporting groups, how to import data to the system, how to export data from the system, how to set up user permissions. Furthermore, We will discuss additional features in Sage Business Cloud accounting software.